Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
Bye. Just say bye.
Bye.
Good job.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
I'm going out. Nobody will follow me.
Fine.
Oh, good. You can. And just say thank you, everybody. Good job, Purity. Say thank you.
Thank you, everybody.
Aww. Thank you guys so much for all your messages yesterday. It meant a whole lot to me. My colleagues, you guys are awesome. Kisses to all of you. God will bless you in every way. God will honor your every footstep. Thank you for your encouragement and the prayers. God will bless you. Thank you. Kiki, I can see your cake. Needed. Thank you very much for the cake. Chikala, I can see your cake. Thank you. They don't pinch everything finish. Thank you so much. See the strawberry. All the candy. Bye. Just say bye.
Bye.
Good job.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you so much for watching our videos. And importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. Any events going on in Nigeria, Bua TV is always the first to get there. So you just need to subscribe unless you'll be missing out. And how to subscribe is so simple. There's a circle here written Bua TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us. We're going to come. If any event just take place or you heard something, just go on YouTube, search for Bua TV. You see there.